Hello class, so we are back again with yet another topic, that is comprehension. Right? What is a comprehension exactly? It consists of a passage, right? And you have to read the passage thoroughly, understand every detail of it, and then you'll have to answer the questions that will follow the comprehension. Alright? So let's look at an example. Read the passage given below and answer the questions. And the question has been divided into three parts, that is A, B, and C. Alright, so let's see what the passage is. The following extract is adapted from a letter written to President Franklin Pierce of the United States by a Red Indian chief Cecil in 1855. Alright, so this passage is all about this letter written by President Franklin Pierce of the United States by a Red Indian chief Cecil in 1855. So you can pause the video, read the entire passage. I hope you've read the passage. So moving forward, this is the set of questions that you'll have to answer. Alright? So number A being, given below are four words and phrases. Find the words which have a similar meaning in the passage. So the first word is unknown, the second word being satiated, the third word being destroyed, and the fourth word is disregard. The next question is number A's second part. For each of the words given below, write a sentence of at least 10 words using the same word unchanged in form but with a different meaning from that which it carries in the passage. The first word is word, the second word is alien, the third word is face, and the fourth word is condition. Now, question B is answer the following questions in your own words as briefly as possible. So there are 4 questions that follow, and the last question is question C, that is discuss in about 100 words how Chief Cecil's letter seems to be the plea of an environmentalist. So here you have to refer paragraph 6 to 13, and failure to keep within the word limit will be penalized. You will be required to write your points in the form of connected passage in about 100 words. Let's look at the answers now. So unknown is alien, sad, satiated is gratified, destroy is devier, disregard is contempt. Alright, now let's look at number A2. You have to make sentences with the same words unchanged in form but their different meaning. So word. She was a true friend in all sense of the word. Alien. The girl felt like an alien in her own house. Face. He had a face. He had to face main hardships before he became successful. Condition. The doctor said that his friend's condition was stable after the operation. Alright. Sorry for the mistake. After that, let's move to the next part, that is the question answer session. So, who is the great chief in Washington? What does he intend to do? Don't exaggerate, don't go off the topic, just answer how much ever is asked to. Alright? So, you can read the answers of all the questions. If I go to explain, the video will become too long. That is why just pause the video and read the answers. And the last part is that you have to summarize the passage from paragraph 6 to 13, and you also have to maintain the word limit of just 100 words. Extra words gives you penalty. Alright, so read the passage, it is exactly 100 words. The secret to be exact is you can make such tables in your copy. Alright, I've made 10 by 10 table, 10 rows and 10 columns, which make it 100. So it got easier for me to settle in, and each table, row and column has just one word in each. Right, each cell of the rows and columns has just one word in it. So totally there's just 100 words in it. So you can read the passage, go ahead. And if you all have any doubts or queries, please comment below. I'll be glad to help you all. So yeah, that's it. Let me end the session here. Thank you for joining in.